What's the deepest, darkest, most mysterious place on our planet? If you said the Mariana Trench, you're spot on. It's a place of crushing pressure, freezing temperatures, and total darkness. For a long time, we thought nothing could possibly survive down there. But as it turns in, we were very, very wrong. The trench is teeming with life, just not life as we know it. So, grab your virtual submarine, because today we re-diving over 36,000 feet down to explore the bizarre and wonderful creatures that call the bottom of the Mariana Trench home. First, let's talk about the pressure. Down in the Challenger Deep, the deepest part of the trench, the pressure is over 1,000 times what we feel at sea level. Imagine having the weight of 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of you. It's intense. This immense pressure would instantly crush any normal fish, not to mention a human. So how does anything survive? The key is adaptation. The creatures here don't have air-filled spaces like swim bladders that would collapse. Their bodies are mostly water and gelatinous tissue which can't be compressed. Their very cells are built differently with special proteins and membranes that function perfectly under these extreme conditions. It's a masterclass in evolution. One of the most iconic residents of the Hadal Zone, that's the zone below 20,000 feet, is the Mariana snailfish. This little guy looks like something out of a ghost story. It's small, translucent, and has no scales. You can literally see its organs through its skin. It holds the record for the deepest living fish ever found, thriving at depths of nearly 27,000 feet. Scientists were amazed to discover how active these fish are. They're not just passively floating around. They're top predators in their ecosystem, hunting for small crustaceans. Their secret weapon is a substance called trimethylamine unoxide, or TMAO. This chemical helps their proteins maintain their shape and function under the crushing pressure. The more TMAO they have, the deeper they can go. It's a fascinating chemical solution to a massive physical problem. Now, let's meet the amphipods. These are like supersized shrimp, or fleas of the deep sea. While their shallow water relatives are usually tiny, the ones in the Mariana Trench can grow to be over a foot long. They're called giant amphipods for a reason. They are incredible scavengers. When any organic matter, like a dead whale or a large fish, sinks from the upper ocean, it's a feast for these creatures. They swarm the carcass, devouring it with incredible speed. Their bodies are built tough. They have a strong exoskeleton made of aluminum, which they extract from the seafloor mud. Yes, you heard that right. They have aluminum armor. This helps protect them from the pressure and from other predators. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening every day at the bottom of our ocean. But it's not all about fish and crustaceans. The trench is also home to some truly strange-looking creatures. Take the sea cucumber, sometimes called the headless chicken monster. Its real name is Anipneus eximia, made it swims by gracefully flapping its fins, looking like a bizarre, fleshy kite drifting through the darkness. These creatures are deposit feeders, meaning they move along the seafloor, scooping up sediment and digesting the organic matter within it. They're like the earthworms of the deep sea, playing a crucial role in recycling nutrients on the ocean floor. And just like the snailfish, their gelatinous bodies are perfectly suited for the high-pressure environment. And what about the things we can't see? The real foundation of life in the trench might be microscopic. We're talking about bacteria and archaea. In the absence of sunlight, there's no photosynthesis. Instead, life here relies on chemosynthesis. Vents in the seafloor release chemicals like hydrogen sulfide and methane. Specialized microbes have evolved to use these chemicals as an energy source, in the same way plants use sunlight. These microbes form the base of the food web. They are eaten by small animals, which are then eaten by larger ones, like the snailfish and amphipods. It's a completely alien ecosystem, powered not by the sun, but by the earth itself. Scientists have even found thriving colonies of these microbes living inside rocks on the seafloor, proving that life finds a way in the most inhospitable places imaginable. Of course, with every expedition we discover something new. One of the most haunting discoveries was a type of jellyfish found floating serenely at a depth of over 12,000 feet. With its two sets of tentacles, one long and one short, it looked like a biological spaceship. Researchers believe it sits motionless, extending its long tentacles like a spider's web to ambush any unsuspecting prey that drifts by. Every time we send a remotely operated vehicle or ROV down into the trench, it feels like we're exploring another planet. And this brings up a really important point. We have better maps of Mars and the Moon than we do of our own ocean floor. The Mariana Trench is one of the last true frontiers of exploration on Earth. Studying it isn't just about finding weird and wonderful creatures. It's about understanding the very limits of life. How does life adapt to such extremes? Could similar life exist on other planets or moons in our solar system, places like Europa or Enceladus that have deep, hyperpure oceans? The answers to some of the biggest questions about life in the universe might be waiting for us in the deepest part of our own world. However, there's a sobering side to this story. Even in this remote, seemingly pristine environment, we've found evidence of human impact. Scientists have found microplastics in the stomachs of the giant amphipods living in the Challenger Deep. They've found banned industrial chemicals called PCBs at higher concentrations than in some of the most polluted rivers on Earth. These pollutants sink and accumulate in the deepest parts of the ocean, poisoning the unique life that exists there. It's a stark reminder that our actions have far-reaching consequences, affecting every corner of the planet, even the ones we can't see. So, the Mariana Trench isn't an empty void. It's a dynamic, surprising, and vibrant ecosystem filled with creatures that have adapted in ways we're only just beginning to understand. From ghostly snailfish and armored amphipods to swimming sea cucumbers and chemical-eating microbes, the trench is a world of its own. It's a testament to the incredible resilience and creativity of life. As technology improves, we'll be able to explore more of this hidden realm and uncover even more of its secrets. Who knows what other bizarre and beautiful creatures are waiting to be discovered in the dark? Thanks so much for joining me on this deep dive. It's truly amazing what's hidden beneath the waves. If you enjoyed this journey into the abyss, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. Let me know in the comments which deep-sea creature you find the most fascinating. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.